Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have prerequisites, so start by installing both Vscode and the Sqlite engine, then open the project folder. Next, install a Vscode Sqlite extension and enable it. Create a new file name like data, db, or point to an existing db file. Once done, open the extension panel, refresh connections, and add the database path. Make sure to give the extension file access when prompted, so it can read table schema and execute queries. You will now connect and inspect the database. Open the extension, choose Add Connection, and pick the DB file path. Once connected, browse the tree to see tables, indexes, and triggers. Click a table to preview rows and column types. To verify, run a simple test query like select one or select count * from Sqlite master to confirm connectivity and schema visibility. If you plan to modify tables, create a backup copy first so you can revert changes safely. Finish by running your actual queries, using the results grid to inspect output, and exporting to CSV when needed. Save query scripts in the workspace and enable query history for repeatability. You may also enable autosave for convenience. Once done, close connections to release file locks. If something goes wrong, check file permissions, ensure no other process locks the DB, and open the extension log for errors. If a lock persists, make a copy of the DB and diagnose on the duplicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.